Hey y'all, it's Toya and thank you for watching ToyaJTV. Today I'm going to go over the clip-ins tutorial. So I always like to prep the hair by clarifying and doing a deep cleanse. So that's what I'm doing here on the first lather, and then I'll follow that up with the extreme moisture shampoo and start adding the moisture back in. Next I'm going to deep condition. And I'm using the Intense Moisture Treatment, which is all in the original collection of by L. Jones. And then I like to comb it in right while I'm in the shower, and that helps me to also detangle. Once I'm done deep conditioning, then I just towel dry and I add leave-in conditioner. I always add leave-in, and then I comb that all the way through to make sure each strand gets some leave-in conditioner on it. After that, I like to lay my edges down using the whipped honey foam wrap, and that just helps me, that'll help me to be able to style it better, and it'll help my leave out to lay down even flatter. One trick I use is to tie the edges down while it's drying, and that makes it the flattest. And as you can see, I'm not enjoying being under the dryer, but here we are. So after my hair is done drying, I'm not going to blow dry it any, but I am going to add some satin moisture cream to my ends, and that will help the ends of my hair stay moisturized, and it'll help the ends not break as fast, meaning I won't need to trim as much. So I love a deep side part, and that's what we're going for today. I'm only doing it like this to see how I'm going to braid it, and then I'll just only leave enough hair out for my leave out. At this point, I'm starting my braid down. If you do not know how to braid your hair, it's fine. You can always get someone else to do it for you. I prefer my braids to be on the smaller side so that the clip ends will be flat. And after I'm done braiding, then I just like to take some of the silky growth oil and put it directly on my scalp in between the braids. I also like to spray some cooling hair mister, and that just helps to prevent any itching. So now it's time to put the clip ends in. So I'm starting from the back and I'm just working my way up. I like to use the smaller pieces like this for the nape area, and then I just work my way up with the longer pieces. So as I get to the very top, I like to put that last little clip in right on top of that last braid, so that my leave-in literally lays directly on top of it, and it gives it a flawless finish when I am styling. I'm going to wear it straight at first, and I am using the Toy Primo flat irons to straighten my hair, and it gives it, I wanted to wear my hair straight this time, and then I'll eventually curl it to let you see a different look. So be sure that you're following me on Instagram and TikTok, and you'll be able to see the different looks that I do with this hair. Now I'm just putting some edge control just on the side to help it lay down even more. And then when I tie it down in the morning and take it up, it's going to be super flat with no white residue. That's why I love the Bio Jones edge control. And here we are with the finished look. So you guys be sure to let me know in the comments what you think about this look. And again, this is a great protective style if you want an alternative to having braids or a sew-in. I'll talk to y'all later. Thank y'all for watching.